Hi everybody, today we're going to take a walk up to the Palisades Falls near Bozeman, Montana. The drive is about 30 minutes from my condo, but we're almost there. Hey guys, I'm here. I'm standing near the Palisades Falls trailhead, about 30 minutes from my house. It's a short walk, only about 1.4 miles round trip to the waterfall and back. So this won't take too long. Let's go check it out. I'll see you at the top. As you can see, this short path up to the waterfall is paved, making it pretty easy to access for just about anybody. There's about a 250-foot elevation gain on the way up though, so still got to consider that, but not too bad. You're not hiking on rough terrain and jumping over logs and boulders to get there. So hey guys, I made it to the Palisades Waterfall, about 80 feet high. Cool rock formations formed a long time ago by ancient lava flows coming out of Yellowstone National Park area. That's right, it's an inactive volcano. They have one of the largest, if not the largest, I think, cauldron of lava in the entire world. So there you have it. And these rocks up here, I'll get you some close-ups of those. But yeah, ancient lava flow, really cool looking rock formations. And again, this is about an 80-foot waterfall. It's really cool. And now we're walking away from the falls, headed back down to the car and home. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Palisade Falls. It's a pretty neat local attraction that we definitely enjoy. So we had fun sharing that with you. So on our way home, we decided we would stop at the beautiful Highlight Reservoir Lake. I've fished here and kayaked here before. It's a lot of fun. There's some great camping spots, amazing hiking trails. If you're ever up in Highlight Canyon in the Montana area, I suggest you check this out. This lake was built back in the 40s and enlarged in the 90s. It's got cutthroat trout and Arctic grayling. Great spot to bring the family or to just come hang out by yourself if you're looking for something to do.